Yo, shit, what the fuck is up? What happened yesterday? No trades yesterday because no news Monday. But what's up? Damn, y'all already here? Shit. What's up to everybody, man? I missed y'all for real. I missed you all, but we back. Where is Misk? They're asking about me. I'm right here. Crazy. Crazy, bruh. Took a break from trading. Just didn't trade no news Monday, but we're back. We are back. Oh, the Chichin tops to play out. I don't know how I feel about that shit. Equalos have been swept. Just about to start the macro. Where are we delivering from? A bullish gap on the 4 hour. Oof, the daily looking sketchy. 1 hour. This could be a forever model type. Easy shit, boys. We live. Let's see if we can get some people in here. Bing bang, bing bang. Misk, I have traded one AVG and got 60 points. Give some advice. I have traded one IFG and got 60 points. I mean, you should give me advice, bro. You're the one that won. Or what type of advice do you want? Let's go live. So we're hoping a bearish OB gets inversed. Thinking about this one. For us to consider like a real market structure shift, we need a shift from this lows, and we could definitely look to target the highs. If we fail to shift, what's up, man? Still no shift, waiting for that shift. Waiting for the shift in market structure. What are you trading today? We're trading in Q. You can see top left. Oh, like what account type? I'm trading on the combine. Fresh combine. Short damn. Nah, not in trade yet. Wait, don't take this trade because I'm not gonna take it. Just now we're displacing lower. Let's see what's gonna happen. Are we gonna continue? But it's because what's lower, we're already like in a 4 hour gap. Massive, massive 4 hour gap. All right, so now we have a new 1 minute OB right here. We have another one up here, so we're waiting to see for any of these get inversed. Or for ES to inverse as well with a gap. Misk, how many accounts do you have like funded in evals? What happened last Friday? Shit. Like we don't talk about last Friday. Nah, I'm kidding. What happened last Friday? Shit, man. I fucking revenge traded. I got hooked in the charts after the stream. I was done. I was in profit and everything. And I just monkey brain activated. I couldn't control myself. I couldn't. I just went off. Obviously, not really ashamed or embarrassed. Like nothing to say really. It sucks. Like all the progress from the journal that I had went to shit for one shitty day. Um, yeah, yeah. I wasn't in the best time frame, in the best mind frame. What's up, Luis? Welcome, brother. Good to see you again. Right now, I only have one eval that I'm trading, one combine. I'm just trading one account right now. Just trading one account. But we have double SMT here at these lows. Let's see if we can start displacing. We have double SMT. ES is wanting to displace. And we're most likely going to get CRT. We might look for an entry here. I mean, it's already going. We're going to wait for the candle to close. 20 seconds. Let's go long, boys. Fuck it. Super high entry. See if we get that unicorn entry. Well, we're only looking to 1500. We had CRT. We shifted market structure. We're probably going to leave a bag. Let's see what happens, boys. Now we have a massive breakaway gap that we could look to take a re-entry from. But we have a beautiful unicorn about to give the entry. No entry just yet. Could probably adjust our stop loss, our risk once we take the high. But let's see what happens, boys. Let's see what happens. It's going, it's going. Oh, let's adjust to this low. See if we want to keep delivering. There's a lot of bearish confluences. Let's see if we go straight for buy side. But there's a lot of bearish confluences that we price has to overcome. So we're just gonna start like slowly managing the trade. Hopefully we keep delivering towards buy side. Hopefully we leave a gap here so I can move break even. Not counting on it though, but hopefully. See if we can continue flushing. We're gonna leave the gap. Alright, I'm break even. Let's take a little quick screenshot. Ten seconds. It's going, boys. Yes, sticking highs. I'm fully out. I'm fully out there, boys. Those screenshot, they'll know. Oh, it's going for that full TP. I went fully out. We went fully out because ES just took the highs. There's full TP. That was a 1500. Oof. I mean, that's it, boys. That's it for me, for real. Took a big win. Made like 900 bucks, 800 bucks. I mean, what else? What else should we? I mean, we already won today. What else? What else do we want? Privacy, charts and data, show executions. One more, dude? You're joking, right? I mean, you already got the clean delivery. Y'all wanted the reason we early entered wait without the unicorn. We entered on the market structure shift. I almost lost my funded, but I got 600 off this trade. Congrats, brother. The reason is we had double SMT. We had SMT here, and we had SMT from this low all the way to the low over there. So we had double SMT, and then we had CRT, and it delivers nicely, bro. Like yes, sir. Mace, can you answer that? Let's see. Yeah, that one I won because for you because I had three funded accounts and requested payout from Apex, but they did not show me my access of accounts from different locations, and my 4 months are gone. What? Shit, man. I think that's with support. I've never had that issue because I've never gotten the payout with Apex in all honesty, but didn't have an issue. So the reason that we took this, let's see, I'm waiting for a friend to the reason we took this long without waiting for the unicorn is because I learned this from the unicorn goats. We had double SMT, right? This is a forever model type trade. We are trading inside if of a 4 hour bullish gap. So we had that first initial sweep of liquidity, right? And then ES is trying to catch up with that initial sweep of liquidity. But ES fails to take this low initially, and then NQ makes another run, sweeping the internal liquidity right here. So ES already failed to take the low on this side from this low. It failed to take the low, right? It's trying to catch up. NQ rallies again, putting in another liquidity sweep with an SMT because ES doesn't make this new low and NQ does. And once we have a low, like two lows like this double SMT inside of a gap, and then you have a displacement like this already is your change in the state of delivery. This is already my entry. Hence why I took it. This is already the change of delivery that I want to see. I don't need for price to retrace. If it does, I could go for a re-entry. But this was exactly what I was aiming for. And we took home 1861 300 around 50 points. 50 points. That was 50-point hold, which was nice. I mean, I could have held some more, made the 1500. I don't really care about that, bro. I just since ES took the high, I've gotten faked out one too many times, so I just. But yeah, let's screenshot. I mean, I don't know. I'm probably not gonna journal these on the eval. I'm gonna start journaling once we're funded. because I know I am gonna get funded. But once we're funded, we're gonna journal. But I mean, that's it, boys. I mean, that's it. That's it. Is there anything else y'all want to know or want to do? Cause I'm fucking more than happy to cut it right here and just take my winnings and run and wait for tomorrow for another opportunity to trade. Okay, I'm gonna cut it here, boys. Thank you for tuning in. I have shit to do today. I'm gonna edit the video. I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna get right into it just to get out the way. But I love y'all. Thank you for tuning in. I didn't know y'all missed me that much. I'll be back tomorrow. Just try to make like a boot camp or some shit like that. Fuck yeah, I'll make a boot camp, brother. I need to work on that YouTube grind. But we're back, boys. Please expect the daily streams. All right, wait. My homie just joined. He wants me to explain uh the trade I just took. Let me explain it to him real quick. Double SMT, brother. All right, so the idea behind this is both NQ and ES are sweeping. So NQ sweeps this low, but ES fails to take the low, right? We're like making that first initial SMT. But what could happen is that ES could always catch up with NQ after sweeping the low. But what happens is we pump bullish and then make a new low on NQ. So NQ does another rally, sweeping the low, while ES fails to catch up in this shift down in this leg. ES failed to catch up, which this should be the opportunity for ES to catch up at least to that first initial low. But since it didn't even make this low, we have double SMT, and I entered off CRT, which I know what CRT is. So we have 1, 2, 3. And right here, since we already make this market structure shift, you don't need no other confirmation to enter longs. You could even count this as a shift in market structure if we get a candle close above this. There's an SMT inside the big SMT, yes sir. So this already, you don't need it to come back to the unicorn. You don't need it to come back to the bag. Hence why I entered. And this is something I need to add into the rule book. But this is something I'm going to be trading with the unicorn because I do consider this delivering the same way as the unicorn delivers. We have double SMT. We're trading inside of a 4-hour gap. This is the forever model, like formula. Inside of 4-hour gap, we have an SMT inside the SMT. We have a change in the state of delivery right here. And that's all you need to enter a trade. Target opposing liquidity and you're good. But you have to wait. Like, for example, I know people got faked out here. If you're trading IFVGs or whatever, you got faked out. Like right here, you had to wait for that other manipulation to happen. Or for a shift, you need to wait for the shift in market structure. In this IFVG, you had to see price come trade above these highs. But look how it fails to trade above the highs. And we make new structure here that shifts above that. What a clear move. Super clean, super clear. Textbook. But that's how you do it. We have every day waiting for you since 6 a.m. I love you, brother. Thank you so much. That's super motivating. I'll be back with the daily streams, boys. Thank you. I love y'all. Thank you. Thank you, GG's. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. For real, for real.